Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to change a Nissan Sentra headlight bulb. First, gather your tools: a new headlight bulb, a screwdriver, and some gloves. Make sure your engine is completely off and cool to the touch before you begin. Always consult your owner's manual to confirm the exact bulb type needed for your specific Sentra model. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, let's access the bulb. Open your car's hood and locate the back of the headlight assembly. You'll see an electrical connector attached to the bulb. Gently squeeze or pull to disconnect it. Next, carefully remove any dust caps or retaining clips that hold the bulb in place. Some models might require a small twist or a release of a spring clip. Take your time with this step. With the old bulb exposed, gently twist it counterclockwise and pull it straight out of the housing. When handling the new bulb, always hold it by its plastic base. Never touch the glass part with your bare hands, as oils can significantly reduce its lifespan. Align the tabs on the new bulb with the slots in the housing, then push it in firmly and twist clockwise to secure it. Finally, reconnect the electrical connector to the new bulb, ensuring it clicks securely into place. Before closing everything up, turn on your headlights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly. Check both high and low beams. If it works, reassemble any covers or clips you removed. For more great tips on managing your finances, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other helpful deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.